Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another fun, fast 3D printing tutorial. So let's get cracking. Friends, today we are starting on Thingiverse, and we're going to find an awesome slug. This is a flexi print called the Friendly Articulated Slug. You can see it has 13,000 likes. There are a ton of instructions that you can read through to help be more successful. I am just going to show you how to print it. I'm going to download the one with brims. Today we are using the Sovol SV06. Of course, we need to bring in that file. Here is my slug with brims. The first thing I want to do with this little fella is rotate him. I like printing this way, so let's go 90 degrees. The second thing I want to do is make him a little bit larger. So I have found that I can print this at 110%, and it opens up just a little easier. It pops up this warning that the model has errors. I have printed it anyhow. Now once you scale it, always check your move. Look at this, it was below 0. So I'm going to set that to 0 so it bumps up. That would have caused a little bit of an issue if I had printed it that way. Now over here on the slicing, I'm doing low quality. The creator always does high quality. I choose low. He spends 8 hours printing it. I'm going to print it in about an hour and 40 minutes. 0.8 walls with 2 lines, top and bottom thickness of 4 layers, 20% infill. I'm going to keep those temperatures because I'm using PLA. Speed is 60, retraction is on, and I'm not going to have any build plate adhesion. I am going to save it to the removable disc, and let's go make a cool slug. See if we can get under him and pop him off the bed. That's absolutely awesome. And check out that fun print. Let's see how easy it is to break apart. Alright everybody, so I just moved into the workbench so I could actually have the tripod. Check this out. We have got parts on the front and back where this just already does rotate it like it's supposed to. That's pretty insane. Once again, the post-processing I do with this is just simply run this little knife inside here and we can pop those open. And I just have to do it all the way around. Of course, on camera, I'm trying to make sure I don't slice myself because I'm looking through the camera lens. There you can hear the magic popping sound. This tells me that that one is open. And I just need to go all the way around the shape, just like that. And are you ready for this? After about 5 minutes, a couple of these I popped off camera. And are you ready for this, friends? It is already almost all popped loose. How cool is that? And after just a little bit more effort, check it out. Completely movable slug. Oh my gosh, what a fun project. And the Sovol SV06 absolutely crushed it. Friends, of course, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me. HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.